Now that you guys are in Japan, how do you feel about Japanese people?
Japanese people are very good. They are very kind. And there is tatemae.
Right.
But I think tatemae, it's good
Okay.
for them
Right,
and
right.
for us.
Did you guys like Tokyo better or Kyoto better? How did you
It's the
compare?
crowded city, too
Crowded
much
city.
people, too much lights.
Right.
It's different, but
Uh-huh.
I like it. I like
like
it, Tokyo. Yes, very, very funny city.
Hey guys, it's Yumi from English Bootcamp. Welcome to my channel. 皆さんこんにちは。イングリッシュブートキャンプのユミです。こちらのチャンネルでは英語学習にお役立ちの情報をバンバン上げておりますので、ぜひチャンネル登録していただけると嬉しいです。私のプロフィールですけれどもこんな感じになっています。英語のね、発音コーチをしております。で、詳細はね、下の概要欄にずらずらと載せておりますけれども、発音本ね、一冊出しておりまして、こちらも好評発売中です。ぜひチェックしていただけると嬉しいです。それから、いよいよ3月10日からリスニングブートキャンプのマスターコースがスタートします。まだね、お申し込み間に合いますよ。私のサポートとグループコーチングが3ヶ月間ね、24時間ついてきます。なかなかね、マラソンのようなタフなコースですけれども、リスニングが爆上がりしますので、ぜひぜひ興味のある方は下にリンクを貼っておりますのでね、ぜひ概要欄チェックしてくださいね。では今回も人気のね、外国人インタビューシリーズに行きたいと思います。俊平さんにね、インタビューに行ってきてもらっております。ネイティブならではの表現だったり、ノンネイティブだからこそ、言ってしまいがち、やってしまいがちな間違いだったりとかね、いろいろあるので、そのあたりの解説は、最後の方でね、動画のね、私がしておりますので、ぜひ、最後まで見ていっていただければと思います。では、俊平さんどうぞ。
Okay, so thanks for your time today. And where are you guys from? Once again?
France.
Yeah. So how long have you guys been here in Japan?
8 months.
8 months.
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 months.
Okay, so what brought you guys here?
Learning Japanese
Learning Japanese.
and get a work.
Okay.
Get a
And
job.
What about yourself?
Same, I'm learning Japanese in Japanese school.
Okay, okay. So how fluent your Japanese is?
I can like speak basic Japanese, you know.
I see, I
Conversation,
see.
yeah.
Okay, okay. But did you guys learn Japanese in France or back in France?
Only in Japan.
Only in Japan. Okay,
For me.
what about yourself?
I studied in Paris University
Okay.
2 years before to come in Japan.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So was it like quite difficult for you guys to like learn Japanese or like in terms of the grammars and all the words are different?
Yeah, at the beginning, the hiragana, katakana, kanji, it's the worst for me.
Okay, okay.
But you know, when you know more vocabulary,
Right.
you can easily speak with Japanese people.
Okay,
But I
okay.
think the most struggling is kanji
The kanji.
for myself.
Okay, well, what about yourself?
I think the same. It was like the learning of kanji
Right.
at the first, so it was very difficult.
Right, right.
But after when you exercise yourself and speak with other and
Yeah.
just write on your phone,
Uh-huh.
you really memorize well. So
Ah, okay, okay. I see, I see.
yeah.
So what about the cultural differences?
The difference between Japanese and French, you're gonna speak easily
Right, right.
without shame or
Okay,
something.
okay,
So
okay.
this is just the big difference for me.
Okay, okay, I see. Now that you guys are in Japan, how do you feel about Japanese people?
Japanese people are very good. They are very kind. When you're asking something, they always help you.
Yeah? Okay.
Sometimes there is tatemae.
Right.
But I think tatemae, it's good
Okay.
for them
Right,
and for
right.
us. So yeah, I like people.
Well, what about the Japanese food? Like, do you guys enjoy having the
Yeah,
Japanese
yeah,
food?
yeah.
It's
Amazing.
amazing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's
but
very
do you
good.
see like some common between the French food and Japanese food, or
I
is
would
it
say
quite
that
different?
French food are more like seasoning and sauce, and Japanese foods you can really feel like the umami.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Umami, you know quite well about
Yeah.
Japanese. Okay. So the last question is, would you recommend your friends, coming to Japan? And if so, what would be the biggest reason?
So you have to know, guys, French people love Japanese.
Okay.
Japan
Right.
because our country, France and Japan, we have a bond, a link,
Okay.
like between our culture.
Uh-huh.
You have to know after Japanese people, we have the second people love manga, anime.
The manga animation.
Yeah.
Right, right.
So if we can recommend, they will come because
Okay.
we love Japan.
Okay.
France, we love Japan.
Really?
Yeah.
It's really good to know. And
Yes.
it's a very big compliment.
Yeah. So you can come in France, guys.
Okay. And thanks so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
welcome.
it was really enjoy talking to you guys. Thanks a lot.
much.
Yeah, thank you. Could you tell us what your name is and where you're from?
I am Antia,
Antia?
and it's Fatima,
Fatima.
and we are from Spain.
From Spain.
Yes.
Oh, mucho gusto conocerte.
Muy bien.
So, is this your first time to Japan?
Yes, it's the first time.
First time. So, how long have you guys been staying here?
2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks?
Yes.
So, when did you guys arrive here?
Now we are in Tokyo now, and we are going to spend 1 week in Tokyo.
1 week in Tokyo.
But we were in Kyoto,
Kyoto.
Osaka, Koyasan the last week.
Koyasan.
Yes.
Ah, I see, I see. So, how did you like Kyoto, compared to Tokyo? Did you like,
Yes. Yes.
was it quite different?
Yes.
A lot of temples?
Yes.
Traditional-
A lot of a lot.
A lot of temples.
A lot.
See.
Too many temples in Kyoto.
Many
Yes.
temples. But did you guys like Tokyo better or Kyoto better? How did you
it's
compare?
different.
It's different. It's different.
Quite different.
Yes.
Not
Yes.
the
Yes.
same.
Not the same, right?
It's a crowded city, too
Crowded
much
city.
people, too much lights.
Right.
It's different, but
Uh-huh.
I like it. I like
like
it, Tokyo.
it?
Yes, very funny city.
Funny city, I
Yes,
see. I see.
very funny city.
So did you guys have some good like traditional Japanese food like in
Yes,
Kyoto?
yes.
Yeah. How
of
did
course.
you guys like it?
Okonomiyaki,
Okonomiyaki, okay.
okay.
Okonomiyaki in, Kyoto.
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki. I see. In Osaka, right?
Yes, in Osaka.
I see.
And here we eat a very good ramen close here. Close
Oh, ramen?
Yes. Yeah,
Ah,
very
I
good ramen
see.
here in Tokyo. Yes.
Very good ramen. Okay. I've been doing a lot of interviews and a lot of foreigners, they like the Japanese ramen.
Yes.
But what kind of ramen? What flavor of the ramen did you have? Like the soy base or the
Tokatsu?
miso?
Tokatsu? Tokatsu
Tonkatsu?
ramen? I don't know. Sorry.
tonkatsu? It's
Yes.
like a pork or
Yes.
what kind of
Yes.
tonkatsu ramen?
Yes.
Ah, I see. Is that the one you had in Shinjuku?
Yes.
So have you guys done a lot of shoppings here? Like after you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow we are going to Shibuya and
Okay.
Akihabara.
Akihabara. I
Yes.
see. So you're gonna buy like some electric things or like camera, the smartphone. or
No,
what are you trying
no,
to-
sorry, not Akihabara. Harajuku?
Harajuku.
Harajuku,
Ah, I
yes.
see. So you're gonna buy
Yes.
some clothes or?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
I see. When are you guys going back?
Next Friday.
Next Friday. So
Yes.
you have another about a week
Yes.
to enjoy here in
Yes.
Japan.
Uh-huh.
I see.
In Tokyo.
In Tokyo.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So thanks so much.
まずこのフランス人の二人組、日本大好きっていうね、もうすごい熱弁してますよね。日本のこと好きだっていうね。で、フランス料理と日本料理に何か、共通項ありますかっていうね、俊平さんの質問なんですけども、Do you see some common between the French food and Japanese food? っていうふうに聞いてますが、common っていうのはこれは形容詞なので、この場合は commonalities っていうふうに名詞にした方がいいと思います。ね、Do you see any commonalities between French food and Japanese food? こちらの方が文法的には良かったかなと思いますね。まあ通じますけどね。でも、こうバーって喋ってるとね、やっぱ文法的なこの細かいところを意識せずに間違って言ってしまうっていうのはね、まあありがちなんですよね。まあ和食に限らず、やっぱりフランス人がまあ日本が好きな部分で、理由でもう大部分を占めてるのが漫画ですね。漫画って言ってましたね。俊平さんがすかさずね、アニメーションっていうふうに言ってましたけれども、正確に言うと漫画とアニメーション違うんですよ。で、漫画って英語で言うときっていうのは日本の漫画を指します。例えばアメコミとかね、海外の漫画は漫画とは言わないんですよ。アメコミとかはコミックブックスっていうふうにコミックを使います。でも日本の漫画を言いたいときは漫画って言うんですよ。同様に日本のアニメ、例えばジブリとか日本のアニメーションね、を指すときはアニメっていうふうに言うんです。アニメです。で、アニメーションっていうとディズニーとか海外のアニメーションを指すことが多いです。なんか日本の漫画、日本のアニメが好きな人たちっていうのはもう区別して漫画、アニメっていうふうに言ってます。で、この人たちも日本の漫画が好きなんですよね。なので、漫画っていうふうに言ってます。それから、スペインのね、人たちに、俊平さんが、京都とか大阪に行ってきたっていうのに対して、京都と東京と比べてどんな感じっていう質問ですね。How did you like Kyoto compared to Tokyo? って言ってますね。この compare to 何々と比較して、東京と比較して、京都はどんな感じだった？好きだった？っていうね、言い方ですね。 うん。で、二人ともね、まあどちらもね、こう好きみたいな感じで答えてましたけれどもね。で、Have you guys done a lot of shoppings? っていうふうにね、俊平さん聞いてますが、shoppings っていうふうに、まあ S がついてますけれども、ショッピングは、基本的には複数形の S つけないです。a lot of shopping っていうふうに S つけないのが一般的です。Have you guys done a lot of shopping? が文法的には正しいですね。以上ね、今回はこのフランス、スペインっていうラテン系のね、人たちのインタビューでした。ね、今後もね、このインタビューシリーズ続けていくので、こういう質問してほしいなとかね、こういうの聞いてほしいっていうのがありましたら、どしどしリクエストをね、コメント欄に書いていただけると非常に励みになりますので、ぜひお願いしますね。ではまた次回お会いしましょう。See you!